So you went on the website, you decided that you wanted to get the practice test package, that's a 3-in-1, and you clicked on the image and it will direct you to the WiPay payment app. So everything is already set up there. You're putting in the amount that you saw on the page, which is $120. That's if you're paying in TT. If it's in US, it's $25, which is written at the bottom of the image. So of course you have those options. You're going to click on add to the above amount, which is the payment for the transaction, and now you're going to type in your particulars, which is your email address. Very important, otherwise how can we send it to you? And just a message there indicating that it's for the practice test. All right, so after you've typed in those things, so you will see me typing it in here right now, and you would then be directed to where you put in the information for your credit, well, which credit card that you're using, if it's Visa or if it's Master. Right, so I'm going to just wait for that to happen. So I'm typing here test package, just to indicate to us what it is you're paying for. Click next, and of course your internet, I'm sure, is going to be working much faster than mine. So the next page shows you the amount. So this is the payment for the item as well as for the transaction. And if you don't click on the Visa or MasterCard and you press continue, you'll see invalid card type. So you need to select one of those cards, and this can work for both, of course, regional as well as international, local as well as international customers, whoever would like to purchase any of the items, right? So you click on Visa or MasterCard, then you continue, and you have here now the information for you to put in with regards to your card, and it's as simple as that.